Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Windows Update is current and then rebooting if needed. This prevents conflicts during scanning. Once done, open Windows Security and go straight to Virus and Threat Protection to avoid distractions. Make sure to pick Quick Scan for a fast check or Full Scan when you suspect deep infections. You'll see scan progress and basic recommendations. Pay attention to any prompts to remove or quarantine files so the antivirus can act immediately and keep the system stable. You now harden the defense by enabling real-time protection and cloud-delivered protection so threats are blocked proactively. Next, make sure automatic sample submission is on so Microsoft or your vendor can analyze suspicious files and improve detection. It's safe and helps others. Enable controlled folder access if you store sensitive documents to block ransomware. Once configured, schedule periodic full scans and review protection history to spot anything missed and adjust settings accordingly for ongoing safety. You finish by applying recommended actions, quarantine, remove, or allow, based on the scan results. This clears immediate risks. Then update definitions and run a follow-up scan to confirm the device is clean because threats evolve rapidly. If something goes wrong, like scans failing or constant warnings, run the Windows Security Troubleshooter and check for pending Windows updates. These often resolve component errors. Finally, consider a secondary on-demand scan with a portable anti-malware tool for extra assurance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.